Alright, last time she gave me challenge of cooking something. This time I'm here with some fish. I'm making my old classic grilled fish wrapped in aluminum foil with some spice in it. Hope she will love it. And every time, why not, the barbecue goes with a cold Coke. Let's start cooking then. Before I marinate, I usually turn on my grill. I like to make sure my grill is nice and hot while I'm cooking. So first thing, the fish, we'll keep it aside before making. First we'll make the spice marination in a big bowl. I'll go with my gloves first. Don't want to wet my hand here. I've got some water to clean my hand, but still. Okay, first thing, I've got some of my broccoli. I like to just break it in half a bit. And some mushroom. I've already cut them in like 4 pieces, you can see. Here's my veggies and some chili. I just got this from my tree. They're nice and hot. And some garlic, of course. My mom always used to say me, if your mouth doesn't smell like garlic, then you're not eating something. So always make sure you put some garlic on your food. And this is the last bit of garlic. I'm just using 5 cloves of garlic. See, they're really easy to take it off if you know that good method. See, the garlic will be cooked. And this is just my own homegrown garlic. If you want to know how I grow all my vegetables, you can just ask me in a comment. I'll put the videos about it. And I'm going with my garlic crusher. It crushes my garlic nice and easy. This is the only reason I don't buy my garlic paste anymore. I used to buy garlic paste before. Look, I just got this lime from my own tree at the back, so I don't have any knife here, so I'm going with my own hand. See, it's nice and juicy. I've got a lamb's crusher here. I'm going to crush some lemon. See, all the juices have come out. You can definitely see all the lemon juice from my own garden. I'm using all my lemon juice here. Okay. My main ingredients for this cooking will be salt. I'm using a tablespoon of salt because fish is a bit salty, and of course red chili for color, for a bit of taste, and some turmeric powder. That should be all for marinating. And I'm going to use some onion powder. It enhances the flavor. And some oil just to make sure everything blends together. I'm going to give it a good rub with my own hand. I'm going to use some spices. I got this on Asian store. You could go and buy them in the Asian store. And that should be all for my marination. It looks really good. And the juice from the mushroom gives big flavor to my fish. So now I'm going to marinate my fish. I've got 2 small baby barramundi here. I just got these from Costco. You can go and buy them. My aluminum foil and my fish ready here. I got this fish from Costco, as I told you before. They got really nice choice of meat and the seafood there. I like to give it a good nice rub. I have used 2 fish today. You know, last time I ran with that fried rice from Anima, and I'm sure this time she's gonna run with my food. She loves fish. She will run away with the fish. So I'm making 2 to make sure I'm not running out of fish. I have 1 more for myself. Give it a nice rub inside. That's where all the flavor comes from. See, it's all nicely coated. Now make sure you put all your stuffing inside. Nice chili, some broccoli and the mushroom. These are the things that going to bring the flavor to your fish. I would say you can skip the broccoli, but I won't say to skip the chili or the mushroom. Cover my whole fish in aluminum foil so that nothing leaks out. That's the way of covering the fish. The mouth should be pointed so you know where is the mouth. For the tail part, I'll just make this a good nice round. So you know this is the head and that's the tail. The steam that's coming out from the fish is what makes the fish going to cook. And there we go. I've covered my fish nicely with the aluminum foil, and my grill looks really hot now, but I'm still going to leave it in freeze for half an hour, if not like 15 minutes. By the time my grill will be super hot and it will be ready to cook. As you all know, I have preheated my grill. It looks on like 400 degrees centigrade. It's really hot. Ooh, that's a nice smell coming from my grill. I'm just going to use some oil to make sure my aluminum foil is not going to stick. I have got my two fishes here. So first one I'm just going to use it straight to the grill. Next one I'm putting on top so that the nice heat will cook my upper one fish first, like all the juice will come out, then I'll just switch their position. It's been 5 minutes now. I'll just like to turn my first one down and the top one as well. I'll just make the tail part back and the other one at the front. I'll just make the low heat to my grill so that it takes a long time to cook. By the time I can lawn my mower and do all my household things. So I'll see you guys after some time. I have finished doing all my lawn at the back. My neighbor's dogs are like really good. They like to bark at me. Don't know what happened to them. I have finished doing all my lawn at the back. If you guys want to see us doing our lawn and everything, make sure you put the comment. We can put the time lapse as like before and after. On the same time, I'm going to turn my fish over. Now I'll turn over my fish. See, all my lemons is done, so that means this fish is almost cooked. So I'm going to keep this fish aside and bring my other fish down so that it gets nice and well cooked. While my other fish will rest on the top. These fish gets really hard to pull over sometimes. And just my thing, using some oil. Just oiling up my grill, making it nice and fiery. I like to play with fire. Don't know whether you guys did it or not, just let me know in the comment. I do this every time I'm doing barbecue or I'm doing some fireworks. There I go. It makes nice and smoky flavor to my fish. Although my fish is covered in aluminum foil, just all these holes, they take all the smokes inside and make it more smoky. My neighbors would be hungry smelling my fish. It smells really good over here. I hope you could smell this thing. Alright, it's time to turn over my fish and see how it's going over this side. Pro tip, when your fish is cooked, this part will come up, the belly part, because like all the veggies, it's taking all the moisture from the fish and bringing it. The fish will shrink and this thing will come up, like this one on the top. It's nearly cooked, the top one, but the bottom one is still needs some time to cook. I'll cover them. After about like half an hour, my fish is ready. I'll just make the flame really high for a minute so it gets all coating inside. I'll put both fish down for a minute. Not even a minute, it's just like half a minute or something. I'll cover my fish for a minute. It's after a minute my fish is done. I'll turn off my grill. Make sure you turn off the gas as well, and I'll let my fish sit here for a couple of minutes just on the top. It's around 3:30 now. Anima is coming. She probably will be home like around 5 o'clock, so I'll put my fish on oven just to make it warm. By the time she comes, the fish will be cold if I just leave it here. So I'll put this in oven, and I won't say her I have make 2 fishes. I know she will run away with 1 fish like I did last week, so I'll hide this fish in the oven, and this big fish I'll give it to her. I'll see you guys after some time. When fish is resting, I usually do my veggies, just boil them and stir fry. She likes broccoli and carrot. That's why I'm going with just broccoli and carrot. Okay, I'll just use like half a cup of water first. Then I'll add my veggies. After adding the veggie, I'll usually fill up the pot with all my water. You all know salt absorbs water. That's why I'm putting my salt in veggie, which helps to cook my veggie quick. After about a minute, I'll drain my veggies. Now I'll just heat my pan. Add some butter to my pan. I have used 1 cube of butter. While the butter is melting, I'll just put my veggies straight in. So my butter won't get time to burn. I'm just going with salt and pepper. I'll put them aside and go and get my fish. After my fish is rest, I have got them ready. I can smell it. It smells beautiful. I think I should better cut them with my knife. You can look at the beautiful baby barramundi here. Got all the veggies stuffed in. I'm already hungry now. I'll go and get Anima. Anima, do you want to come to have a look at the fish?
Okay, I'm coming.
I know Anima is going to take long, so I'll start my plating. It smells so good. I wish you could have smelled this.
Always, is the fish ready yet?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Plate it and I will come. I'm too lazy to come.
I know you are.
I don't think you have made it ready yet.
It's ready.
I think you are just exaggerating it.
If you want to come and have a look, then it's ready. Otherwise, what can I say? And here's my veggie. I'm going to serve this with my own special sauce. And there's the fish ready. Ah, you are here. I thought you were taking more time, getting more lazy.
I can smell this fish up in the sitting room.
There you go.
Looks so nice, so good. You must have seen the recipe. I haven't, but it does look really
There you
good.
go.
Looks so tempting. Where is the fork?
You should have grabbed one. Go and grab one. I can grab more.
Hey!
There you go.
Moment of truth.
How did you like it?
So good.
Try not to run
Last
with that.
time you took my fried
No.
rice, so this is
No.
mine.
She don't know. I have hide one more there. I knew that was going to happen. That's why I grabbed one more fish for me. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment and let us know what we should do next. If you want to know what's happening in this story, please stay tuned with us. It's going to be a really big thing. We are bringing more videos. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you. And I'll have my dinner.